this.
No, he didn't.
We needed
Yeah,
this.
here it is. I got the regular gift with no bounce. Just sent it.
Guys.
Wait, I'm not gonna lie, the bounce is unreal.
Oh my god. That's such a good gift.
Scott hit 1,000 list points like in between.
Take me home, pet me and make me yours, and don't forget to stuff me. See me like my little baby tail for your bulgy. Kisses and lickies your neck. I hope daddy likes you. Sazzles and wazzles your chest. I be getting thirsty. Hey, I got a little itch. You think you can help me? Only 7 inches long. Ooh, please adopt me. Paws on your butt as I lick my lips. Ooh, punish me please. Gotta hit him with this furry shit. You don't see it coming.
Oh my goodness, I just beat MISFIRE. I just fucking beat MISFIRE.
Oh, let's go!
What the fuck? Where the fuck did that come from?